Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Welcome to Navaratri series. In a year, the first Navaratri we are celebrating as Chaitra Navaratri. It falls in between March and April. According to their seekers, so have the different names Vasanta Navaratri, Lalita Navaratri, and Garbha Navaratri. Then what is Vasanta Navaratri? Vasanta means spring, Nava means 9, Ratri means night. The Vasanta Navaratri is a sacred 9 days festival celebrated during the spring season. It's appear March and April. It is dedicated to the worship of the Divine Mother Shakti. Devi blesses devotees with happiness, health, courage, wisdom, and spiritual progress. What is the story behind Vasanta Navaratri? A long ago, there was a good king named Dhruva Sindhu. One day, while hunting in the forest, he was killed by a lion. After the king's death, people argued about who is the next king. After the king's death, the people argued about the who is the next king. So the queen Manorama took her young son, Princess Sudarshana, and went to the ashrama of the sage Bharadwaja for safety. While living in the ashrama, Sudarshana learning to chant many things with a secret mantra clean. He prayed the goddesses Durga every day, great faith. The goddesses was pleased with his devotion. She appeared, blessed him with a courage and strength and promised to protect him. Later, Princess Sashikala chose Sudarshana as his husband. When an enemy king attacked them, goddesses Durga protected Sudarshana and helped him with the battle. After the victory, the goddesses Durga told Sudarshana to worship her for 9 days during the spring season. He happily followed her instructions. This is how Vasanta Navaratri begins. Even today, the people celebrate Vasanta Navaratri by worshipping goddesses Durga and praying for good health, happiness, wisdom, courage, and peace. Why is Chaitra Navaratri also called as a Lalita Navaratri? Especially among the followers of Sri Vidya traditions, the devotees worship Sri Lalita Tripura Sundari, the supreme form of the Divine Mother. During these 9 days, worshipped mainly as Lalita Tripura Sundari, the goddesses of beauty, wisdom, compassion, and supreme divine power. On these 9 days, they perform the Sri Chakra Puja and chanting Lalita Sahasranama, Lalita Trisati, Lalita Ashtakam. Why is Chaitra Navaratri is called as Garbha Navaratri? Because the divine incarnation was in his mother's womb for their secret 9 days before the Navaratri concluded on Sri Ramanavami. In different traditions, they call different names like Chaitra Navaratri, Vasanta Navaratri, Lalita Navaratri, and Garbha Navaratri. Chaitra Navaratri because it is celebrated in the month of Chaitra, Vasanta Navaratri because it occurred during the spring season, and Lalita Navaratri because the goddesses Lalita Tripura Sundari is specially worshipped during these 9 days for sadhana purpose. And coming to Garbha Navaratri, it symbolizes the creation and new beginning. Whatever the name it calls, the seekers do the sadhana and get the benefits of this Navaratri. And what's the significance of this Navaratri? Celebrating the victory of Dharma over Adharma and symbolizes the faith over the fear and marks the arrival of spring season, renewal and new beginning, and encourages the devotees to purify the mind through prayers, fasting and meditation. Sincere devotion to the Divine Mother brings protection, wisdom, strength and success. Rituals and puja. As simple as we can do Kalasha Stapana, lighting a diya, Shodashopachara, Kunkumarchana, and offering flowers, fruits, and Naivedya, Arati. Fasting rules. So it completely depends on the seeker's health. Avoid onion and garlics. Avoid meat, egg, and alcohol. Avoid anger and negative speech. Spend more time in prayers and practice the sadhana and use completely sattvic meals, and just you can use fruits and milk. On this day, chantings you can use Lalita Sahasranama, Devi Mahatyam, Durga Saptashati, Kadgamala Stotram, Devi Kavacham, Navadurga Stotram, Mahishasura Mardini Stotram, Lalita Ashtottara Shatanamavali, Lalita Ashtakam, and benefits of observing on this Navaratri is purifies the mind and heart, increases the devotion and self-discipline, remove fear and negativity, improve concentration and focus, inner peace. At the end, we can say this Chaitra Navaratri is the sacred journey of 9 days that begins with self purification and ends with divine realization. By worshipping the Divine Mother with faith, discipline, and devotion, we awake the strength, wisdom, compassion, and peace that already exist within us. Naivedyam. You can offer the Naivedyam by referring the Lalita Sahasranama. It starts from 99 shloka like milk, ghee, payasam, curd rice, tamarind rice, jaggery payasam, kattu pongal, and poha pongal, lemon rice, and even you can offer fruits and jaggery, coconut. I hope all the important points I covered in this video about Chaitra Navaratri. So be ready for to know about the Ashada Gupta Navaratri. Your feedback means a lot to us. Please share your thoughts, suggestions, questions in the comment section. Your valuable comments will help us improve our Navaratri series and create even better video for you. If you have enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe and forward your friends. Thank you for your support. Shri Gurubhyo Namaha.